Hey guys, so today I'll be exploring the new construction zone in Brookhaven. So I was at school while the update dropped. I think it dropped at 1 Central Time, which is my time zone. And so I'm gonna be checking it out. So, I don't know. I just have the shotgun and yeah, and stuff. Okay, good. They have a porta potty. Yeah, last year at school, I'm just gonna say they cleaned. The cleaning when it burns your nose when you're cleaning. When they're cleaning it. Yeah, I hate porta potties. I don't know what this is. Green goo. What is up, guys? Today I'll be jumping into the green goo at 3 a.m. Alright, let's get into it. Yeah, this tastes so good. Toxic waste. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, one of my friends is asking me, where am I? Okay, what are these green crystals? Okay, I'm gonna answer this after the video's done. Yeah, so. Okay, I'm just going to, yeah, do something. Okay, we got a construction worker on the job. Sonic Ryan Jr. He's Ryan from Ryan's World Jr. Okay, I just gotta get through. I'm gonna go on the crane. Okay, who's the green bean? Okay, yeah, this... Hold up! Wait. Okay, let's see. Oh, it changes stuff. Hold up. Okay, that. Gotta change it to that. Then walk on the crane. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, well, bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video.